You've learned how to add elements, how to edit them and reuse them as components. You've learned how to edit properties in dev mode, to design responsively, and you've learned how to use and add your own assets. You've even learned how to grab your real-time generated code. Now all that's left is to learn how to publish your work. Let's go ahead and click the Publish button. You have two choices here. The first one is our own personal hosting service. That's done simply by clicking the Publish button. After a few seconds, it'll show you a link with your project that you can access and share. For custom configuration, you should be knowledgeable around Zeit.co and Now tokens. I'll link a how-to article in the description. And there we go. That's about it for the basic series on how to use the teleportHQ playground. If you have any feedback regarding the playground or these tutorials, please come to us on our Spectrum channel or our Intercom chat. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see each other in the near future when we'll launch the next more advanced tutorial series. Until then, have fun in the playground.